sunflowers still here. Good morning, friends. It's Jen, and you can hear the cicadas very active this morning. It's about 9:30, and I'm headed for that side of the lot where the sunflowers are before they get mowed over. It's very quiet here. It's windy, but you can hear the birds all around and the cicadas. Looks like they mowed recently, I think. Oops, down there. Looks like they mowed recently. Yeah, they definitely did. All right, gotta get out there before they... Wow, they really mowed so much since the last time. The last walking video I did, that whole area was full of beautiful sunflowers and other tall wild vegetation. Look at these, are beautiful. Beautiful vining flowers. So I ended up turning around. It's really humid and warm out here, and decided to drive out here. So yeah, in the last walking video, this was so full of beautiful flowers and brush, but they chopped it. So I figured I might as well just drive out here before they chop it all. But my gosh, it looked like there was so much sunflowers here than what it appears to last time. All right, yeah, okay, yeah. This is where we'll stop right here. Yep, there's the big tree that you could see from my yard. And yeah, that tree right here, right behind it, is my home. So this is all the sunflowers that I see from the side windows. This is where I wanted to come walking, just to see all these beautiful sunflowers before they mow them down. Look at that. Actually, this is a beautiful picture here. Let's see if I can. Sunflowers and the sunset. I mean, the sunrise. Yep. So I just wanted to stroll in here. Just a short little stroll. Just to see how it all looks on this side. Because from my window, it looked like a whole sea of sunflowers. There's more sunflowers out there. Yep, very beautiful. All these beautiful sunflowers.